we had to design and manufacture 2 large walnut pivot doors. We identified 4 key issues. One was that these doors needed to be able to swing both inwards and outwards for different use cases. Secondly, the doors need to be strong and hold up to commercial use. Keep in mind, this is in a busy pub. Thirdly, they need to look discreet and we need to have tight door gaps throughout the design. Now, this is how we started thinking about the problem. Could we do a rebaited door jamb that would let less light pass through this gap? And we could do a nice thick door. We could have steel frames in there, so that it would be really strong. But the problem with this is the door would only be able to swing in this one direction. If it swung in the other direction, it would foul on this rebate here. So then we moved to the second idea. A thinner door lets you have a tighter gap to the door jamb. And because there's no rebate in the door or the jamb, it could swing in both directions. But the problem here is that we wouldn't be able to build a door this thin that was strong enough, which led us to our third thought. Why don't we just have a square jamb with a really thick door, which meant that the door will be strong enough and it could swing in both directions. But then the problem is you have this really massive door gap. So if these 3 ideas initially didn't work, then where did we land? At the heart of the solution is this idea of a coved door jamb, where we hollow out the negative space, and that achieves 3 things. We can still do our thick door, we don't need a rebate in the door jamb, and it creates a negative space here for the door to swing into, which allows a tight door gap towards the front.